This lesson is your blues lick. So it starts, I'll just play this first. Now to begin with this, you need to put your first finger on the 6th string, 5th fret, and you strike 2 times down down, meaning 5 5. Then you put your 3rd finger on the 4th string, 7th fret, same thing, down down, and 1st finger on the 4th string, that's the same string, 5th fret, 2 times down down. So it is. And now remains the 5th string, 5 6 7 fret number, and you're going to use down up down action. Again. So you'll play this pattern 2 times. Now after you're done doing this 2 times, the rule of blues says whatever pattern which starts from the 6th string, if you shift everything 1 string down, it sounds nice. Which means now for the second half, you will start from 5th string, 5th fret, 2 times down down, and now 3rd string, 7 7, same 3rd string, 5 5, down down, and your down up down, your 5 6 7 comes on 4th string this time. I'm going to play this. So you have to play on 6th string 2 times and 5th string 2 times. Down, 5th,